and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can delete your Foodpanda account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap open your Foodpanda app. So once you tap open your Foodpanda app, all you need to do is simply tap on the account section on the bottom right hand side of the corner. So once you do this, simply tap on Help Center, and once you are here, all you need to do now is simply tap on your My Account section. So once you are in the My Account section, tap on Delete My Account. After doing this, you will be redirected to this kind of interface where you need to tap on Start Chat. So now you need to first write something to explain your reason for your deletion of your account. And once you have written it, you can simply chat with the support of Foodpanda. And once you start your chat, you can simply give them reasons why you want to delete your Foodpanda app or why you want to just get a break from your app. So once you have explained everything, you will be successful in deleting your Foodpanda account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos like this. Thank you for watching.